The night begins. The night was quiet, soft, and deep, the kind of night that felt like a warm blanket over the world. Professor Cosmos stepped outside his observatory and looked up. The sky was clear and the stars were bright, like a choir of tiny lights singing in the dark. He smiled and whispered, "Good evening, universe. I am here again." He spoke slowly because Cosmos believed the universe listened better that way. You arrive at the observatory. You walk toward him on a small stone path. Each step echoes gently in the still air. Cosmos sees you and waves with excitement. "Ah, my cosmic student. Perfect timing. Tonight is special, very special. Come, stand next to me. Look at the sky. Tell me, what do you see?" You look up. You see stars. You see the moon. Maybe a cloud moves like a sleepy ghost across the sky. Cosmos nods softly. Yes, the night is alive, and tonight it has a story to tell. The telescope awakens. Cosmos gently touches his old telescope. It makes a soft wooden sound, creak. "It is old," he says, "but it is loyal, like a wise friend, and tonight it will show us something important." He turns the telescope slowly and lowers it so you can look. "Go on. What do you see?" You look. A cluster of stars glows like a small island of light. Cosmos whispers, "Ah, yes, the beginning. A story of long ago." Cosmos sits on a wooden bench and invites you to sit beside him. "I will tell you a story," he says. "A simple story, but a long one. Slow, gentle, like a river of starlight." He takes a deep breath. "A long time ago, before I was a professor, before I had this observatory, I was just a boy. And one night I saw a star bigger and brighter than all the others." He points upward. "That star changed my life. The bright star calls." "When I saw that star," Cosmos continues, "I felt something warm inside my chest, something pulling me, not with fear, but with curiosity. I wanted to understand it. I wanted to follow it. I wanted to speak to it." He laughs softly. "Yes, I know. Speaking to stars sounds strange, but strange things create great stories." Your first question. Cosmos looks at you and asks, "Tell me, what do you feel when you look at the sky?" You answer. He nods warmly. "Beautiful. The sky teaches different lessons to different people. To you, maybe peace. To me, direction." A walk through memories. He stands and begins walking slowly through the garden. You follow him. "When I was young," he says, "my village was small. There were no big lights. The sky was always clear. Every night was a show." He looks up. "I learned English by watching the night. Simple words first, star, sky, moon. Then bigger ideas, where, why, how. The universe was my first teacher." The night of the big change. "One night," Cosmos continues, "everything changed. I was 12. I remember the air was cold, the sky was silent, and then I saw a movement." He pauses dramatically. "A star moved. Yes, actually moved." The moving light. "It was not fast," he explains. "It was slow, gentle, like a lantern floating in the wind." He closes his eyes to relive the moment. "I felt it calling, not with words, but with light. And that night I made a promise to myself. I will follow the light of knowledge." Back to the present moment, Cosmos stops walking and looks around his observatory garden. "And now look at us," he says. "You and me, two travelers under the same sky, learning the same lessons, walking the same cosmic path." He laughs softly. "Life is strange, beautiful, full of surprises." A quiet cosmic visitor. A small streak of light crosses the sky. "A meteor," Cosmos says quietly. "A visitor. Fast, but full of meaning." He explains slowly. "A meteor is a small rock from space. When it enters our atmosphere, it burns and becomes a bright line." He watches it fade. "Small things can shine too." The soft glow in the distance cosmos points to a faint glowing cloud. "That is a nebula. a big cloud of gas and dust. It looks like smoke in space. Stars are born there. Imagine that. Suns growing like seeds in a cosmic garden. His voice softens. I like that idea very much. A strange sound in the dark. Suddenly, a low hum appears. Cosmos tilts his head. Oh, that sound is not from space. It is my stomach. I forgot to eat dinner. He laughs loudly. Yes, even great cosmic minds need soup. A lesson in simple feelings. He turns to you. Feelings help you learn English. They make things easier to remember. He speaks slowly. I am hungry. I am curious. I am calm. I am excited. I am learning. He gestures to you. Try one. You do. He claps gently. Excellent. The observatory door opens. Cosmos opens the big wooden door. Inside, the room is warm and full of books. Welcome to my universe, he says proudly. He touches a dusty moon globe. This is where I think, read, dream, and sometimes spill tea on important notes. A map of stars. He unrolls a giant star map. These are not just dots, he explains. They are stories. He points. This is Orion. This is Lyra. This is Cassiopeia. He invites you to repeat one. You do. He smiles. Perfect. Or almost perfect. A memory of discovery. Cosmos becomes quiet. I remember the first time I discovered a new star, he says. It was small, faint, easy to miss, but it was mine. I named it Little Echo. It felt like a soft voice in the dark. The big question. He leans closer. My student, why do you want to learn English? You answer. He nods. A good reason. A true reason. And true reasons create strong learning. You do not learn alone. I am here. The night is here. The universe is here. Gentle grammar. In English, Cosmos says softly, the past and the present are like two stars in the same sky. Present simple is used for things that are true now. I look at the stars. I learn English. Past simple is used for things that happened before. I looked at the stars. I learned English. He smiles. Easy, yes. The past often ends in ed. Like stars, both tenses shine, but in different moments. The ending and the beginning Cosmos steps outside again. The night is deeper now, the stars softer, the air colder. He turns to you. My cosmic student. Our long story ends here tonight, but the journey continues. Tomorrow, the sky will tell a new story, and we will listen. He places a hand over his heart. Thank you for walking this night with me. Thank you for learning. Thank you for shining. He bows. Until our next voyage, stay curious, stay bright, stay cosmic.